Hey there! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into all things automotive. In today's video, we'll be discussing a common issue that many car owners face: bad fuel pump symptoms, causes, and remedies. So, if you've been experiencing some fuel-related troubles with your vehicle, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Before we jump into the symptoms, let's quickly understand what a fuel pump does. The fuel pump is a crucial component responsible for delivering fuel from the tank to the engine. It ensures a steady flow of fuel at the correct pressure, allowing your vehicle to run smoothly. A fuel filter is a component in a car's fuel system that helps to remove impurities and contaminants from the fuel before it reaches the engine. The filter is usually made of a paper or mesh material that traps dirt, rust, and other particles that can clog the fuel injectors or damage the engine. The fuel filter works by allowing fuel to pass through it while trapping any debris in its filter media. As the filter becomes clogged with contaminants, it restricts the flow of fuel to the engine, which can cause a decrease in performance or even engine failure. Most modern cars have a fuel filter located either in the fuel tank or along the fuel line. Some filters are designed to be replaced periodically, while others are designed to last the life of the vehicle. It's important to follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule for your car's fuel filter to ensure that it continues to work properly and protect your engine from damage. Common symptoms of a bad fuel pump. Now, let's explore some telltale signs that your fuel pump might be on the fritz. Remember, experiencing one or more of these symptoms doesn't necessarily mean your fuel pump is the culprit, but it's worth investigating further. Here are the most common symptoms. 1. Engine misfires or stalling. If your engine sputters, hesitates, or stalls frequently, it could be due to a faulty fuel pump. 2. Difficulty starting. A struggling fuel pump may cause your vehicle to have trouble starting, especially after it has been sitting for a while. 3. Sudden loss of power. If you notice a sudden loss of power while driving, it could be a sign that your fuel pump is not delivering an adequate amount of fuel. 4. Increased fuel consumption. A failing fuel pump might cause your vehicle to consume more fuel than usual, resulting in decreased fuel efficiency. Causes of fuel pump issues. Now that we've identified the symptoms, let's explore some common causes behind fuel pump problems. Understanding these causes can help you prevent future issues. Here are a few likely culprits. 1. Contaminated fuel. Over time, debris, rust, or sediment can accumulate in your fuel tank, clogging the fuel pump and causing it to malfunction. 2. Overheating. Continuous operation in high-temperature conditions can lead to fuel pump overheating, eventually causing it to fail. 3. Electrical problems. Faulty wiring, blown fuses, or relay issues can disrupt the proper functioning of the fuel pump. 4. Wear and tear. Like any mechanical component, fuel pumps can wear out over time due to regular use and age. This can lead to decreased performance or complete failure. 5. Low fuel level. Running your vehicle on a consistently low fuel level can cause the fuel pump to work harder, potentially leading to premature wear and failure. 6. Incorrect fuel pressure. If the fuel pressure is too high or too low, it can put strain on the fuel pump, causing it to malfunction. Remedies and solutions. Now that we've covered the symptoms and causes, let's discuss some remedies and solutions to address fuel pump issues. Remember, it's always recommended to consult a professional mechanic for a proper diagnosis and repair. However, here are a few general steps you can take. 1. Fuel system cleaning. Regularly cleaning your fuel system, including the tank and fuel lines, can help prevent debris buildup and maintain the fuel pump's efficiency. 2. Fuel filter replacement. A clogged or dirty fuel filter can strain the fuel pump. Replacing it at regular intervals can help maintain proper fuel flow. 3. Proper fuel level. Avoid running your vehicle on a consistently low fuel level. Keeping the tank adequately filled can reduce strain on the fuel pump. 4. Regular maintenance. Following your vehicle manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule, including fuel system inspections, can help detect and address fuel pump issues early on. While some fuel pump issues can be resolved with basic maintenance and troubleshooting, it's important to acknowledge that certain situations may require professional assistance. Here are a few instances where seeking the help of a qualified mechanic is highly recommended. 1. Complete fuel pump failure. If your fuel pump has completely stopped working, it's best to have it inspected and replaced by a professional. They have the expertise and tools to handle the installation correctly. 2. Electrical problems. If you suspect that the fuel pump issues stem from electrical problems, such as faulty wiring or relay issues, it's crucial to have an experienced technician diagnose and repair the electrical system. 3. Complex repairs. Some fuel pump issues may require more intricate repairs, such as replacing internal components or addressing fuel pressure regulation. These tasks are best left to professionals who have the necessary knowledge and equipment. Remember, attempting complex repairs without the proper expertise can lead to further damage or safety hazards. It's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your vehicle's fuel system. Preventive measures. Now that we've covered the symptoms, causes, remedies, and seeking professional help, let's discuss some preventive measures to keep your fuel pump in good shape. 1. Use quality fuel. Opt for high-quality fuel from reputable sources to minimize the risk of fuel contamination and debris buildup. 2. Regular fuel system inspections. Include fuel system inspections as part of your routine vehicle maintenance. This can help detect any potential issues early on and prevent major fuel pump problems. 3. Avoid overheating. Take precautions to prevent your vehicle from overheating, as excessive heat can put strain on the fuel pump. Maintain proper coolant levels and ensure your cooling system is in good working condition. 4. Follow manufacturer recommendations. Adhere to your vehicle manufacturer's guidelines for fuel pump maintenance, including recommended replacement intervals and fuel filter changes. By implementing these preventive measures, you can prolong the lifespan of your fuel pump and minimize the chances of encountering fuel-related issues down the road. And there you have it, folks. We've covered the symptoms, causes, and remedies for bad fuel pump issues. Remember, if you suspect a problem with your fuel pump, it's crucial to address it promptly to avoid further damage to your vehicle. As always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.